Special Newborn Baby Product Set. Complete with 33 items to meet every need of your little one and mom. Made from safe materials, free from BPA and parabens. Let's see what's included. Starting with the most essential feeding gear. 2 baby bottles in 5 and 9 ounce sizes, suitable for all ages. A bottle rack with drip tray keeps things organized, along with breast milk storage bags and anti-choke nipples for safety. Store powdered milk neatly. A 4-layer milk powder container with large capacity, and a 4-compartment milk powder dispenser for easy portability. Securely sealed and moisture-proof. Cleanliness is key. Gentle baby bottle cleanser that rinses easily, a bottle brush that reaches every corner, and a silicone finger brush for safely cleaning baby's mouth and gums. Also includes 2 types of premium baby bath soap and Care Baby head-to-toe wash, gentle and perfect for delicate skin. Complete skin care. Soothing diaper cream to prevent rashes, protective lotion and nourishing cream for baby's skin. For moms, there's stretch mark reduction cream too, plus gentle baby powder and lip balm for soft lips. Safe developmental toys. Pacifier for soothing, adorable fruit-shaped teether, and a water-filled rattle teether to stimulate the senses. Also includes silicone nipple shields for breastfeeding moms. Essential healthcare tools, small rounded tip nail scissors, safe for babies, and a soft nasal aspirator to help when your little one has a stuffy nose, easy to use and clean. High-quality newborn clothing. Soft, absorbent cloth diapers, easy-to-wear front-tie shirts that won't disturb baby's sleep, comfy pants, and a full set of hat, mittens, and socks to keep warm. Also includes a bib to protect during mealtime. From 32 items to 36, unbeatable value in a single purchase that covers all your needs. Every product is free from parabens and BPA, ensuring safety for your little one. Each item has its own usage and storage instructions, so please read the manual carefully before use. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.